You may go into the supermarkets and see that there's no chicken breast left, just the thighs and drumstick. Whereas here's a healthy way of cooking them. Firstly, just take the skin off the chicken and then apply a little bit of olive oil to it and use whatever type of spice you like and cover the chicken thighs and drumsticks quite liberally with the flavour that you like piri piri. Put them in the oven, and I baked them or roasted them at 200 degrees for about 45 minutes. And they came up looking as if they had skin on them. I served them on this week's food plan with 100 gram of the chickpea salad on a bed of lettuce, with a slice of my low carb bread, which was 40 gram, a little bit of olive oil, and I put balsamic on it instead of using butter. Something about using your fingers to eat food, it's very, very satisfying. When you're serving up to a partner who's not on a weight loss plan, double the portion of the chickpea salad. They might stick to their own type of bread and use butter rather than olive oil. So that is just a variety of how you can change up your proteins on a week. Food has got to be tasty. Have a good week.